Welcome to Smart Repair, one of Australia's largest, longest running and most experienced auto repair specialists. Trusted to deliver quality repairs and outstanding service. Knowledge, experience and agility to adapt. We understand that each customer and each repair is different. For accurate assessment, our assessors count and measure each dent. Upon drop-off, each car undergoes a strict check-in process using state-of-the-art technology. Paintless dent removal is often the best method of repair. PDR requires extraordinary attention to detail from our highly skilled technicians. Not only is PDR effective, it is relatively quick and environmentally friendly. PDR does not require sanding, filling or repainting. Full paintless dent removal is usually completed within approximately 5 working days after receiving a vehicle, often exceeding insurance industry standards. We use the latest and highest quality waterborne paints from leading brand suppliers. Smart Repair has developed a unique 2-phase inspection process. Upon passing the first inspection, your car is then washed on site and vacuumed. It must then pass a final quality check before we arrange a suitable time for collection. On collection, our friendly staff will talk you through the completed repairs. At Smart Repair, we are dedicated to getting your car back on the road as efficiently as possible.